The future is now. Top 20 tech trends defining tomorrow. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into the top 20 technology trends shaping our world in ways we never thought possible. From artificial intelligence to the metaverse, these innovations are set to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. Artificial intelligence, the brains behind the future. First up, we're talking about AI. And no, I don't mean self-aware robots taking over the world. We're talking about the AI that's already here, quietly working behind the scenes. AI is changing the game in healthcare, diagnosing diseases with incredible accuracy. In finance, AI algorithms are making split-second trading decisions. And in our everyday lives, AI powers everything from voice assistants to personalized recommendations. AI isn't just about making things smarter, it's about making things more human. It automates mundane tasks, freeing up our time for creativity, innovation, and connection. As AI evolves, expect groundbreaking applications that will reshape our world. 5G technology, the backbone of a connected world. Next up, let's talk about speed. 5G isn't just about faster download speeds on your phone, it's about a new level of connectivity, unlocking technological advancements. Imagine self-driving cars communicating in real time or remote surgery with precision. That's the power of 5G. 5G will enable seamless communication and collaboration on a global scale. Internet of Things, IoT. Connecting our world in ways we never imagined. Speaking of interconnected devices, let's talk about the Internet of Things, or IoT. We're talking about a world where everyday objects are connected to the internet, sharing data and communicating. Imagine your refrigerator ordering groceries. Imagine your car navigating traffic automatically. IoT seamlessly integrates technology into our lives, making tasks easier and more efficient. It has the potential to revolutionize industries like healthcare. It has the potential to revolutionize industries like transportation. It has the potential to revolutionize industries like manufacturing. Blockchain, the unbreakable chain of trust. Now let's talk about security, because with all this connectivity comes the need for robust measures. Blockchain is a decentralized and secure way to record and verify transactions. It's like a digital ledger distributed across a network, making it virtually tamper-proof. This has huge implications for industries like finance, supply chain management, and even voting. Imagine tracking your food from farm to table, ensuring its authenticity and safety. Quantum computing, unlocking the power of the subatomic world. Get ready to have your mind blown, because we're entering the realm of quantum computing. Quantum computers harness quantum mechanics to perform calculations at mind-boggling speeds, solving problems in minutes that would take classical computers thousands of years. This has incredible potential for fields like medicine, material science, and AI. Imagine developing life-saving drugs in a fraction of the time, or creating new materials with unprecedented properties. Augmented reality, AR, enhancing our reality with digital overlays. Let's step into the world of augmented reality, or AR. AR overlays digital information onto the real world, enhancing our perception and interaction. Imagine trying on clothes virtually or getting step-by-step instructions for fixing something at home. AR has the potential to revolutionize industries like retail, education, and healthcare. Virtual reality, or VR, stepping into immersive digital worlds. VR takes us beyond the screen, transporting us to entirely digital environments. From gaming and entertainment to training and education, VR is transforming how we learn, work, and play. Imagine attending a concert or exploring ancient ruins from home. As VR technology advances, expect even more realistic and immersive experiences. Autonomous vehicles. The future of transportation is self-driving. Let's talk about the future of transportation: autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars are no longer science fiction, they're on our roads today. Imagine a world without traffic jams, where cars optimize routes and avoid accidents. Imagine greater freedom and mobility for people with disabilities. Autonomous vehicles promise a safer, more efficient, and accessible transportation system. Edge computing, bringing data processing closer to the source. With all this data, let's talk about where it's processed. Edge computing processes data closer to the source, whether on devices or local servers. This improves speed and efficiency, especially for real-time applications like self-driving cars and remote surgery. Edge computing reduces latency, improves reliability, and enhances security. Biotechnology, revolutionizing healthcare and beyond. Let's talk about the incredible advancements in biotechnology. From gene editing to personalized medicine, biotechnology is revolutionizing healthcare. Imagine curing genetic diseases, developing personalized treatments, and even slowing down aging. Renewable energy, powering our future sustainably. We need more sustainable ways to power our world. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and geothermal are becoming more affordable and efficient. These technologies hold the key to combating climate change and creating a sustainable future. Cybersecurity, protecting our digital lives in an interconnected world. As we rely more on technology, protecting our digital lives is crucial. Cybersecurity is a critical concern for individuals, businesses, and governments. Staying informed about the latest threats and best practices is essential to protect ourselves and our data. Robotics, transforming industries and our daily lives. Robots are becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives. From cleaning homes to assisting with surgery, robotics is transforming industries like manufacturing and healthcare. As robots become more sophisticated, they'll play an even greater role in automating tasks and creating new possibilities. 3D printing, revolutionizing manufacturing and beyond. 3D printing allows us to create complex shapes and intricate designs previously impossible with traditional methods. From prosthetics to aerospace components, 3D printing is transforming industries and enabling personalized products on demand. Wearable technology, enhancing our lives with smart devices. Wearable technology is more than just fitness trackers and smartwatches. It's about integrating technology into our lives, from clothing to implants. Wearable devices can track health, provide real-time information, and enhance our senses. Smart cities, building more efficient and sustainable urban environments. As cities grow, we need smarter ways to manage resources and improve quality of life. Smart cities use sensors, data analytics, and connected infrastructure to optimize everything from traffic flow to energy consumption. Smart cities create more efficient, sustainable, and livable urban environments. Digital twins, simulating and optimizing real-world systems. Digital twins are virtual representations of physical assets used to simulate and optimize performance. They're used in industries like manufacturing and healthcare to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance safety. Nanotechnology involves manipulating matter at the atomic level. Imagine developing new materials with unprecedented strength or targeted drug delivery systems. Nanotechnology has the potential to revolutionize countless industries and solve pressing challenges. Space exploration drives innovation and inspires us to dream big. From sending humans to Mars to exploring our solar system, we're on the cusp of a new era. Space exploration is about what we find out there and what we learn about ourselves. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, represents the next frontier in AI. AGI aims to create machines with human-level cognitive abilities, capable of learning and reasoning across domains. AGI has the potential to reshape our world, raising profound questions about intelligence and the future of humanity. So there you have it, the top 20 tech trends shaping the future. From AI and blockchain to quantum computing and space exploration, these innovations are set to revolutionize our world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest technology trends. See you next time.